Nice spotting, dude. Thank you, spotter. I don't think SP, we need SP anymore. We have one here.
Yeah, we have one here with us.
I know.
Well experienced one.
Your job's in trouble, SP.
Man Youssou Ndour maa ngi woo bépp doomu Afrika ñu bokk xalaat
Nice one, Yaya. Nice one.
gis-gis bokk
Rakan, you're being naughty. You're being naughty.
sans frontière boole sunu am te liggéey
The elusive wild dogs,
nangu kenn ñëw di ñu
tracked by Rakan and Yahya. I actually like their patterns. It's quite interesting. Bye bye. Painted wolves.
We Africa.
Look what they're doing. He's going to the right there. Look. He watches, they hunt for him. Yes. Where's the third? It's a cup. Mother's there.
With three females.
Aww, I hope she finds her pride. Yeah. She's causing a lot.
Yeah, and you can find that with lions.
Careful, guys.
Keep on walking. Check Hunter York, Kwame Nkrumah, Stephen Biko. All you people.
But she hears only whispers of some quiet conversation. She's coming in 12:30 flight. The moonlit wings reflect the stars that guide me towards salvation.
We're paying the bottom on the front
I
left.
stopped an old man
Rakan
along
in the
the
back
way,
with G.
hoping to find some old forgotten words or ancient
Inside.
melody.
And then we go
He turned to
slightly
me
up.
as if to say,
And we see Yahya on top.
"It's waiting there for you."
Your fishing rod should be like this.
It's gonna take a lot to drag me away from you.
Hold on, babe. Here, let me see it. See what you caught. Nice, babe.
What is that? Now. Yahya, nice catch, dude. Yayan, catfish, nice. I like what you're doing, dude.
Okay, you're not supposed to say that. We're supposed to fool people, Yayan. I'm thinking it's you.
It's a catfish. What is that? What is that? Oh. Yayan, Rakan, where are you? Are you looking? Are you guys looking at how the size of this?
The wild dogs
Are you guys looking at the size of this?
as they grow restless, longing for some
I was not expecting anything this size. Oh my God!
That's for the whole camp dinner. Wow, SB. Have you guys seen anything this size? Oh my God.
I seek to cure what's deep inside, frightened of this thing that I've become. It's gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. I bless the rains down in Africa. Gonna take some time to do the things we never
Rakan.
Everything slowly. Stare at me. Yeah, look at me. Thank you for staring. She's just looking.
We know that we should some cats predators around. Same as the eagle, like I did this.
Right. Right. Like how I found through the eagle, I found the dogs today.
Very comfy.
She's looking at some zebras on our right, and the ones, her sisters, are behind.